Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our 11th question. So what is our 11th question is, in a one school, total students thought to plant a tree. So there are total number of 12 classes are there in that school. So each class, so let's take one first class is there. That from that class, only one plant should be planted, and from second class only two plants should be planted. So like that, if it is a third class, only three plants. If it is a fourth class, only four plants. Up to there, if it is a 12th class, 12 plants should be planted. So this is the planning, and there are total number of sections in each class. Three sections are there. That means first class, from that first one plant, total three sections, right? So they will going to first class students, they will going to plant a three plants. Second class, there are again three sections. So in that, two plants will be going to planted from second class. There are total six plants. Third class 3 into 3, fourth class 4 into 3. This is the way the increment. So what is the given data? Write that one. So they are planning to plant a tree. So in a school, total number of classes, that is n will be equal to 12. So 12 classes are there. So number of plants, number of trees planted. So class 1, one plant. Class 2, two plants, one tree, two trees. Class 3, three trees. So therefore class 12, what is that? Class 12, 12 plants, 12 trees, 12 plants will go into planted. So this is the planning, but total number of sections in each class. So what is that data? So total number of sections in each class. So total number of section in each class will be equal to 3. So number of classes, what is the way here? So first class, so what is the class data? So class series, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and so on up to 12 classes is there. The number of plants planted by each class. So number of plants or trees planted. So 1 into 3. Why? Because for the first class 1 into 3. Why? Because there are one plant from each class. There are three sections. So class 1, there are three sections. So 3 trees or 3 plants, whatever it is. Class 2, so two plants, class 2, right? For that 2 trees. So 2 into 3 sections, that is 6 trees, 6 plants or whatever it is. So the total series, that is 3, 6. So sorry, here 9. So third class 9, fourth class 12, 15, again 18, and so on. So 12 3s are 36. So this is the way, 12 3s are 36. So here, what is the number of trees? So this is the arithmetic progression. Yes, this is arithmetic progression. We have to find total number of plants. Total number of plants in a school. Total number of plants in a school planted by that. So what is the total number? So here we need to find 3. This is 1. So what is the first term? A will be equal to 3. So what is the common difference? Common difference is A2 minus A1. That is, you can take it as 6 minus 3, 9 minus 6, whatever it is. So let's going to find 6 minus 3. We will get it as 3. So this is the common difference. So what is the sum of n terms? So sum of n terms, that is, sum of n terms will be equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So sum of n terms, this is the formula. So what is this? So n will be equal to, we know that is n will be equal to 12. So total number of trees planted by that school we can calculate. So what is that? 12 by 2. So 2 into, what is the first term? So 3 trees will be planted by the first class. 6 trees will be planted by the second class. 9 trees will be planted by the third class. This is the case. So for that, 2 into 3 plus 12 minus 1 into common difference is 3. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. So 6 into 2 3 is 6, 11 into 3. So 6 into 6 plus 33. So we will get it as 6 into 39. So 18 plus 5, 23. So 234. So total number of, so 23 total trees, total plants, whatever it is, total plants will be equal to 234. So this is the way to find the calculations, how many trees are planted by the school students. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to share and subscribe.